Hi, in today's class, we will understand how to create a pull request. So, pull request is usually created to avoid code errors in the main branch. After you create a pull request, your teammates will review it. If they approve it, you can merge it into a main branch. So, let's go into the example. Here, I am taking my repository called Git examples. So, the first step involves is cloning your repository. So I'll take the URL to clone. The prerequisite is you need to install Git on your local machine. So if it is a Windows machine, open a Git bash. If it is a Linux machine, open a terminal. Even for Mac, you have a terminal. You can open terminal and run the commands over there. So git clone, the one which we copied, the Git URL. So once this is cloned, go into the folder, Git examples, and then the first step here involves is create a branch. Git checkout -b will create a branch and switch into to that branch. Usually we follow a feature branch workflow. So here I'll create a feature branch. So what we follow is feature slash and the ticket number. Why you are creating this PR? So usually your ticket number, whatever company you have a ticket. So once I checked out to this branch, I can check on which branch I'm on. So git branch gives you the branch on which you are currently on. So currently I'm on feature branch ticket 1. Yeah, do the modifications now. I'll create few files. vi demo.txt. I'll add the content. This is a demo to show pull request. In short, we call it as PR. And I can create another file. Touch we can use to create empty files. So I'll just say touch. I'll say 1, 2, 3. I'm creating 3 files. So now if I do git status, you can see 4 files got added. Okay, let me add them. Commit. This is a demo for PR. Git push. Origin, whatever branch you are on. So I can take the branch from here, or else I can in git status I get the branch name. I can get it from git status as well. I'll take this branch and push it. We are done. So we pushed to here. Now automatically a pop-up comes up here. Compare and do a pull request on this branch. Else you can go to pull request. Here there is an option called new pull request. You need to choose which branch you need to. So this is a branch we created. So from here it is going to the main branch. So create a pull request. So you can see an arrow here. So we are requesting our branch to be merged onto main branch. Create pull request. You just mention your ticket number and a description. Ticket 1, and this is a demo. So this is a recommended practice. Just usually a description and a ticket number would be recommended. Create a pull request. Once I create a pull request, your teammates, minimum 2 persons will review this. So how they review is, they will check your files, verify what. So 3 empty files and 1 file with this content. If they feel this looks good, they go here and mark it as approve. Because I created, I don't see approve option here. So the person who creates can't approve himself. So your teammates can approve it, and once it is approved, you can go to conversations and just click on merge pull request. So if you click on merge, it goes into the main branch. Thank you.